Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create QR code for a website in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to make website QR code for free, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful video. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To create a QR code for a website for free, first of all, open the QR code generator tool in your browser. I have added the link in description box. Once the tool is open, you will see a field called website link. Now, copy your website URL and paste it into the website link field. Scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here, you can add custom text below the QR code, such as visit our website or scan me. Now, choose your preferred QR code color and background color if needed. If you want, you can also upload a logo or icon to display in the center of the QR code. Once everything is set, click on the Generate QR Code button. A live preview of your website QR code will appear on the screen. Now, choose your preferred download format, such as PNG. Next, select the QR code size you want to download. Lastly, click on the Download QR button to save it to your device. Your website QR code is ready, and anyone can scan it to instantly open your website.